students, welcome back to important questions in surface areas and volumes. This is question number 7. Let's read the question. From a cylinder of radius 3 centimeters and height 4 centimeters, radius 3 and height 4 centimeters, a right circular cone of same radius and height is cut and removed. So we made a hole of conical shaped one. Then find the total surface area of the remaining object. So let's look at it. First concept is, say it's a complicated diagram we have here. A cylinder with a hole and the two conical shaped hole. So we want to find total surface area. I highlighted the total. It's not just the outer surface area or only the inner surface area or the only base area. It's a total area. We need to add all of them. So total surface area is the inner curved surface area of the hole, that is conical curved surface area, and then you have outer curved surface area of the cylinder, that's cylindrical, and then we have base area which is circular shaped. So we need to add all the three of them to get the total area. That's an important concept here. The next thing is, to find that conical surface area we required slant length and they didn't give it. We can calculate it because R and H are known to you. We can use Pythagoras theorem. So R and H are at 90 degrees here. Opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. So L squared has to be equal to R square plus H square. Otherwise L equal to square root of R square plus H square. That is square root of 3 squared plus 4 squared. 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root of 25 is 5. 5 centimeters is L. Okay, that L we have calculated. Now let's go to the next concept. Now let's calculate internal area, outer area. Conical surface area, interior area, that is pi RL. And L we have calculated, R is given 3. Let's call it as A1. And then we have outer surface area, which is cylindrical curved surface area, which is 2 pi RH. 2 pi R into height. Let's call it as A2. And then finally the base area, which is circular area, which is pi R square. So now total area equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. Summation of all that. So pi RL interior, 2 pi RH outer curved surface, and pi R square base area. So you can take pi common out and then start substituting values of R, L and H. So pi is approximately 22 by 7, R is given as 3 and H is given as 4. L is calculated as 5 root over 3 square plus 4 square. So we need to do a bit of calculation. You won't get a natural number final result. After calculating the part, you would get 150.87 centimeters squared. 150.87 centimeters square, otherwise 0.151 liters approximately. But that's the answer. So with that, solution is completed. Thank you very much.